Mac, how you doing?
Okay, Ernie.
You missed 2 payments.
I'm not giving you nothing here.
What?
Mr. Fisher says...
Uh-oh. You been listening to Pete the Fish?
He knows, man. He's got you guys tagged. You're putting the arm on people, and that's wrong. It's just as wrong if I let you.
Okay, no more arms then. I mean, next guys. What do you say we let him go?
All right.
Let him go?
Yeah. Oh.
Countdown's on you, Big Mac. You got 3 fast seconds to lay over the bread. 1, 2, 3.
If I could play like you.
Hey, you getting there, Tommy. Good night. Just believe it.
Hey, thanks. Look, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
What do we got here?
The loot, man. Hey, I'm broke, I swear.
Yeah? No, Mac. He's out of scratch. What you do is you just pluck his tail feathers. What I got here?
Woo! Hey, Earle, where'd you learn that?
Guitar school.
Look, I'll get you the money somehow. Just don't mess with my guitar, okay?
You call that messing, huh? What do you call that?
Look, you can really play. But look, give it back to me, okay?
Cop up the loot. I'll give you back your wood.
Come on, Ernie, I gotta practice. I've got a lesson tonight.
Not on my collateral. I know.
You know, we're just starting down the same dead-end road. Cops in the hallways, bars on the windows. You know, it just reinforces the worst in them. And that's why I left Willow Ridge. The fear, the anger, the suppression. I can't teach in that kind of atmosphere.
Look, it's happening everywhere.
Well, I don't want it to happen here.
I don't know. That's all they seem to understand anymore. The nightstick, the guns.
Right. It's a dog-eat-dog world, so if somebody bites you, you bite them back, but only harder, right?
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. You know, I used to think old Martin Luther King was an impractical fool spouting out that Jesus Gandhi stuff about, you know, changing bad people, making them love each other. But now, we shall match your capacity to inflict suffering by our capacity to endure suffering. We shall meet your physical force with soul force. Do to us what you will, and we shall continue to love you.
Yeah. I bought all that stuff once myself. Love your enemy. There's no such thing as a bad boy. And then I became principal, and I wised up really fast. Look, I have to go one-on-one not only with the Eagles, but the school board as well. Look, Pete, I'm really sorry. But I have to call the police, and I need help.
Janet, come on. Think about it.
I have a responsibility.
I know that you do. You know, at Willow Ridge, they eliminated the violence, but they also eliminated the fun, the spirit. You know, nobody wanted to learn anymore. The place became a reformatory.
Okay, then you tell me, how do you stop that nasty little extortion thing that the Eagles have going? What do you do when a kid like Ernie Briggs sticks his fist in your face?
Just let me think about it before you do anything, okay?
Okay. Just don't take too long.
Tear that down.
Tear it down!
You're not listening. You haven't even heard a word I said. You're not listening. You're about 100,000 miles away. 'Cause if it seems too much trouble, I'll make it easier for you. I'll make it easier for you.
All right. Look, I guess most of you saw the school banner this morning before some individuals tore it down, but not before they got the message. The message is, we got a problem here. Pot, dust, booze, break-ins.
That's it, man. Lay all the lies on us.
And that's the point of this whole meeting, Ernie. There'll be no more lies, not by the faculty, that includes me, and not from the students, that includes you, right? Now, we got a problem here, and we're going to do something about it. The vandalism has gotten so far out of hand, the school board has voted to cancel your trips and dances. There's just not enough money for your activities and the destruction of school property. But listen to me now. I got a commitment from the school board that if we find a way to pay for the damages, they'll give us our dances and trips back. All right? But listen now. Listen. It's not going to be easy. We're talking about raising a lot of money. You got to let the spirit flow in and the ideas will flow out, all right?
You're not listening. You haven't even heard a word I said. You're not listening. You're about 100,000 miles away. 'Cause if it seems too much trouble,
You know, yesterday, a lead guitarist got jumped on in the school stairwell because he missed giving his lunch money to some certain individuals. And we know that Tom is not the only victim around here. They've been putting the squeeze on a lot of you who they think they can push around. I'm gonna give it to you straight. And we're gonna take a few more lumps before all this is over. But I'm asking you, that money that you're giving over to them gang members, I want you to pledge it over to the fund. And if they want to know where the money is, you tell them to come and see me. Right?
Wait a second. Hang on. There's the buck I owe you, Eagles. Now go see Mr. Fisher.
Ernie, Jake, Stan, now don't get me wrong. We care about you because we really think you're beautiful people deep down inside. But we're not gonna let you take over our school, and we're not gonna let you ruin it.
You asked for it, man. You hear me? This is war. think he's gonna surrender?
That was all right.
You wanted to see me?
Listen, why don't you shower, and we'll work on that movie again tomorrow, okay?
Thanks, Mr. Fisher. You gonna be all right?
Oh, no sweat. Take care. I wanted to talk to you alone, Ernie.
Yeah? Well, where I fly, the eagles fly.
I guess you're afraid to go one-on-one with Pete the Fish then, huh?
You heard the man. Get lost. Okay? We're alone. Let's have your best shot.
Say what?
One-on-one. I'm ready.
Oh, you think I'm gonna take a swing at you, don't you? Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Well, I'm not.
Thought you were supposed to be tough.
Ernie, I'm tough enough to realize that you can't solve all your problems with your fists.
Hey, why'd you call me in here?
To talk
To talk? Talk about what?
about you.
About me?
About what's underneath all that anger. About who you really are inside.
Hey, what is this?
About your life, Ernie. It's the only one you got. It's precious and you're throwing it away. You know, I pulled your school records today, and I talked to a few people who knew you in the past.
I got nothing more to say to you, man.
Don't walk out on me, Ernie. I'll call the cops. I don't want to, but I will.
You can't hang nothing on me, man, because I'm clean.
Ernie, you know that triple ball down there on Hawthorne? Huh?
Well, what about it?
Well, Uncle Louis gave me a description of a kid who came in there to pawn a stolen guitar.
Well, if you think you know so damn much, why don't you just stick the pigs on me and cut all the shucking and jiving?
Because I'm trying to give you a chance, Ernie. I'm trying to give you a chance to redeem that guitar and maybe your soul.
Maybe my soul? Or is that all you can talk about is my soul? What are you, some kind of Jesus freak or something? Listen, man, I ain't got no soul.
Look, Ernie, it's just you and me in here, okay? So you don't have to put on that big bad dude number for me, because I know who you are. Ernie, hey, wait, listen, man. You know, I talked to your ninth grade music teacher, and you know what she told me, man? She told me that you and the guitar were born for each other. That you're golden fingers, man. The golden touch. You know, natural rhythm, just like us soul children.
You're a funny guy.
Okay,